close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Hello, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the 1st of January 2022, and that being said, I would like to wish all of you a very happy and prosperous new year. So I had been planning for a new year ride for a while, and I had a couple of options in mind. One thing was for sure that I was going to waterfall, but which one I was not quite sure about it. I had three options. First was Khandadhar, second was Pradhanpat waterfall in Devgarh, third was Badalgiri Waterfall. I finally decided to go to Badalgiri Waterfalls, which is in Rourkela. I'll be covering the other waterfalls in my upcoming videos, but for today I'm going to Badalgiri. So stay tuned guys for the beautiful and amazing waterfalls. So the total distance for one side journey would be 64 kilometers, and the average expected road conditions would be good.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go.
So after crossing Latikata on NH 143, once you come ahead couple of kilometers, you will see a Bharat gas outlet on your left hand side and a wide lane on your right, which goes to a village called Balani. Take the right turn, and the initial part of the road is pretty good. Later you will see you'll come across okay type roads with some bad patches, and after a couple of twists and turns you'll come across the Brahmani bridge, which connects Latikata with Timjor. The view from this bridge is pretty amazing, but you need to come here during early morning or during sunset.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss
So this is Bamra-Gangpur forest range, and we have already climbed up the ghat. And as you can see, this place is really very scenic, and more scenic is the waterfall which we are just about to reach. I'm almost there. As you can see, the road is like this. It's basically a hill through which we'll be climbing down to reach the waterfall. Generally, what happens with the waterfalls is you are at the bottom and you look up to the waterfall, but with Badalgiri Waterfall it's completely opposite. You climb the hill, as you saw I climbed the ghat. You climb the hill, then you trek down to reach the waterfall. So this is how things are here. And now the sound of water has become more loud, and I need to be very much cautious while going down because it looks a bit muddy here, the soil. Yeah, that's one. That's one fall, and but that's not the main waterfall. The main fall is somewhere below, and this is the way, I think, to go down. So yeah, what I understand is this is the way. Let's see how far it is. Now as you can see, it's just the slope has increased, and I need to be more careful. The rocks are also not so tight, it's loose. So yeah, that's how it is. And this is the hill, beautiful. Which is the way, man? I think that is the way, but that looks really very dangerous. Yeah, I can see water falling there, and there is one fall. It looks really dangerous. Let's see if I can go down or not. Okay, it's gonna be a steep way. The path is not so safe, but let's see how far can I go. Slowly I have to go, no hurry. So it's a raw trekking, no excuse, raw trekking. Okay, this is the fall. Going down might be a bit easy. It's not so easy, but a bit easy, but I have to see how I can come back. That is the challenging part. Okay. 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 So this is one level, as you can see. That is the final level, and this is the beautiful waterfall. And nobody is here, I'm alone. Okay, now it's something, I think I should have gone that way, but anyway you go, it's risky, and this is complete slope. I will sit down and take the help of these trees and branches to go down. Okay, almost there. It's quite risky and dangerous as well. That's why this place is banned. And FYI, I think last year, few people, students basically, they drowned in this waterfall and died. So after that only this waterfall has been banned. So I have reached almost this drop is gonna be tricky. Let's see if I can go or not. The place is completely wet, so yes, it might be slippery. Let's see if I can go or not. Okay, my leg reach. I have to hold this branch to jump. Yes, finally I came down successfully. As you saw, it's quite risky. And yeah, I reached the bottom, but now the challenge is to go up. So this is how the waterfalls look. I'll not spend much time here. I'll just fly my drone and I'll go back. Finally I am here, and ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Badalgiri Waterfalls. This is a splendid waterfalls, and there are two levels. This is level 1, and behind me, as you can see, this is level 2. So that's how this place is, and this place is really very beautiful, as you can see. So I'm about to start the last phase of my trip, which is climbing up. That is the most trickiest and risky part. So once I successfully climb up, then there is nothing to worry. So let's go without any further delay. There is a route here. I think that's most feasible. Let's see if I can take that route or not. Let me climb up. Okay. Climbing up is always the most risky and trickiest part. So I have to go up from here, another level. Okay, this side was a bit easier than that side from where I came. So yeah, it was good. I came up easily up till here. Bye Badalgiri. Now I have to go up. Okay, now this is the one more hurdle ahead of me. I think I should catch that way. I missed this way while while going down. Okay, there's another way. I'm feeling breathless because the climb is too steep. One thing is there in my mind always that I'm alone here, and my bike is the only vehicle which is parked here. Yeah, that's how it is. I think I'm almost there. I think that's the ground level. Yeah. So finally, no, it's not over yet. The dangerous climb is over. However, I still need to go up, and I'm feeling really breathless. I hope everything is good outside. There is always a tension. Let me get some breath. When you are in such a deserted area all by yourself,
alone, there is always a lot of things going on in your mind, and you hope that everything goes well. Finally, I almost reached the road. So nobody out here. This is completely lonely and deserted, as it was when I came here. I took all these risks so that I can show you a beautiful waterfalls which is banned now. So if you like this video, please hit on the like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon for regular updates, and share my videos with the friends and family and whoever you think would like content related to travel. And now I've reached my bike and I'm all set to move. So I realized it around 45 minutes ago that I have already missed a turn, which means I'll not be going by the same way through which I came here. So as you saw now that I crossed Pitamal Dam, so now I have to go via Kalunga till Biju Expressway, then Panposh and then Rourkela. So this is my return route, and so this is going to be the end of my journey for this video. So if you like the content, please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share my videos with your friends and family, and stay tuned for my next video. Till then, this is me Sandeep signing off. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye.